If your little one's hair feels dry again 5 minutes after you moisturize it, this is the routine for you. Let me show you the exact moisture routine I use to keep my daughter's hair soft, manageable, and actually retain the moisture and length. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've already applied her leave-in conditioner to her hair in the shower on wet hair. As you know, I wash her hair in twists, so I apply the leave-in directly to her twist. This keeps it organized and avoids her hair from tangling back up. This also makes her hair feel so soft and easy to manipulate when styling. I always work in sections, unraveling one twist at a time. This way her hair stays damp the entire time and I don't need to spritz her hair with any water. So now you just see me smoothing the leave-in conditioner into her hair before applying my next layer. So as you can see, I applied a little bit of the cream, I emulsified it into my palms, taking my time and smoothing for an even coverage. I also apply some of this cream around the base as that area tends to get dry. The next layer, I use a small amount of grease. Grease is going to help to temporarily seal in that moisture to help to slow down moisture loss. By the way, mama, if you want this broken down step by step, I've created a free guide on how to moisturize using this layering method, which many of you know is the LCO method. The layering method I'm showing you now in this video. The link is below so you can download it. So once the hair is moisturized, I put it back into twists. This is one of my favorite low tension styles. The goal is to protect her hair and leave it alone for the week until her next hair day. So I moisturize her hair once every week. Mama, if your little one's hair still feels dry even after moisturizing using this layering method, watch this video next on screen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.